Hi, hello viewers. In this video, I'd like to explain about how to create, save, save as and close a Microsoft Word document. Let us see. First of all, we have to open the Microsoft Word in our computer. Okay, go to search box. In search box, type Word, W-O-R-D, Word. Okay, and automatically Microsoft Word 2010 will come here. If you type Word in search box, click on this Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, see, this is the Microsoft Word window. Okay, this is the Microsoft Word window. First of all, let us see how to create a Microsoft Word and how to save a Microsoft Word. Okay, so now here this area we are calling as document area. Okay, now let us see how to create a Microsoft Word document and how to save. So here you type any document, whatever the document you want to type. Here you type the document. Okay, so whatever the document, the required document or letter or resume. Okay, so you type. After typing, see here file tab is there na, here beside this home tab file tab is there na, click here. If it is 2007 MS Office version, in place of file, here you will observe Office button. Okay, this is 2010 version, 2010, 2013, 2016 same, but whereas in 2007 version, here you observe here this part in 2007 MS Office version, here you will observe the Office button. If you click on that Office button, again it also displays the same option, save, save as, open and close. Okay, here after typing the required document, to save that one, click on file. After that, here option is there, save option. Click on this save option. So whenever I click on this save option, you will observe here save as dialog box. Save as dialog box. Okay, in the save as dialog box, here it is asking for the file name. That means on which name you want to save this file. Okay, so here we want to give the name. So delete this one, and before giving name to your document, we have to select the location. That means where you want to store this file. For example, I want to store this file on the desktop. So click here, desktop. Okay, after that in file name, here you give the file name. Okay, for example, Ravi 9 I am giving. So while giving this file name, you have to observe carefully here. See here, when I typed Ravi, already some files are there on the same name, Ravi, Ravi 2, Ravi 5, Ravi 7. So don't give the file name already which is there in your computer. Okay, so give different name. So I'm going with Ravi 9. See here, Ravi 9 file is not there here. That's why give the different names. If you give the same names, what happen? That old file is there na, it will ask for the replace. Would you replace the old file? It will ask. You click on yes, that old file will be replaced with the new file. That's why while giving the file name, while saving your document in Microsoft Word, you have to give the different name. Okay, and afterwards click on save. Okay, afterwards click on save. You observe here, before save the document, here the document name is document 1. Okay, so now we have given the name here, Ravi 9. After clicking on save, you will observe here this document 1 will go and Ravi 9 will appear the title bar. You observe the changes here. Click on save. See here, that means this file is saved on the name of Ravi 9. Okay, this is how to create and save a document in Microsoft Word. Okay, after that, how to close a document. See here, click on File. Here you will observe Close option. See here, click on this Close, and you will observe our document, the active document will be closed. Close means not completely Microsoft Word closed. If you want to close the Microsoft Word, click on this option. Complete Microsoft Word window will be closed. If you want to close only document means click on File. See here, we have to click on this Close option. Okay, so this is how to create and save a file in Word document. See here. Okay, so we have seen that how to create and how to save a document in Microsoft Word. Now, so whatever the file I have saved in Microsoft Word, now I want to open the document. Now I want to open that file. So for that the procedure is same. Again we have to click on File tab. In that you will observe the Open option here. You see here Open. So before going to open, if you observe here the recent documents, you observe here the recent documents. If you observe here, it will display the recently saved documents. If you observe here recently saved documents. If our file is there here, we can click on that file, automatically it will open. If you are not observing here, click on open. You observe here recent files. Yes, Ravi 9 is saved recent only, that's why it is displaying here. If you click on this file, automatically it will open, or here open option is there now. So click on this open option, will display the open dialog box. See here open dialog box. Here it is asking for file name. We have to give the file name here, or you can scroll this button. You can scroll this button and you see the document which we have saved. Okay, on desktop we have saved. Now click on this desktop. See here Ravi 9 is there. Click here and click on OK. See, this is the document we have saved. See here the file name Ravi 9. Okay, this is how to create a file, to save a file, close the file, and to open the file. Okay, and the next one is what is mean by save as. Save means to save the file in the computer in the particular location on desktop or in documents, that we are calling as save. Then what is mean by save as? Save as is nothing but, see here, if you observe the file name here, here the file name is Ravi 9. For example, here the file name is Ravi 9. See here, file name is Ravi 9. So now I want the, and here we observe here in Ravi 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines paragraph we have typed. Now I want the file name should be other name and the content should be same. File name I want to change, in that the content should be same. Okay, for that purpose we have to go for save as. For save as, first of all we have to open the file, which file you want to change the file name. Yes, here I want to change the file name of Ravi 9. Already it is open. Now go for file. Here save as is there now. Click on this save as. See here the old file name is Ravi 9. Now I want to change with Ramu 2. See here, and it where you want to store this file, on desktop only. See here. Okay, the previous file name is Ravi 9. In that we have typed a 4 lines paragraph. Now I want to change the file name for that file. The content should be same. Okay, here, so first of all we have to open that file. After that, click on File tab. In that, we have to click on Save As. Okay, Save As. Remove that old file name. Give the Ramu2 here. Click on Save. Okay, see here Ramu2. And you observe here the first file name, the Ravi9, is also stored on desktop. This Ramu2 is also stored on desktop. You observe here Ramu2. Okay, you observe here this Ramu2 is also there. See here Ramu2 also there and Ravi2 also there. If you open these two files, in both the files the content is same, just only the file names are changed. Okay, so this is the purpose of what it is, save as. Okay, so this is about how to create a file and how to save a file, how to open the file, how to close the file, and what is the difference between save and save as. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.